In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a drop-down list in Google Sheets, a powerful tool used to enhance productivity and organization in spreadsheets. To begin this process, first, make sure you have a Google Sheets document open. If you don't have one yet, just head over to Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one that you want to work on. Now, let's get started. Once you have your spreadsheet open, the very first thing to do is to decide where you want your drop-down list. In this example, we'll work with cells A1 through A5. So go ahead and highlight these cells by clicking and dragging your cursor from cell A1 to cell A5. With those cells highlighted, the next step is to right-click anywhere in the selected area. A menu will pop up, presenting you with various options. From this menu, we're looking for the option labeled Dropdown. Go ahead and click on Dropdown. This will bring up a menu on the right side of your screen where you can add items to your drop-down list. Next, you'll see an option on the side panel to Add another item. Click on this option to start adding entries to your drop-down list. You'll want to repeat this action, clicking Add another item multiple times, as each click will allow you to enter a new option for your list. Once you've got the desired amount of slots created, let's input the information. Start with option 1. Click into it and type January. After inputting January, move on to option 2 and type February. Continue this process with option 3, option 4, and option 5, typing in March, April, and May, respectively. With your options set, it's time to add a bit of color for better visual differentiation. Beside each month name, you'll find a section labeled Fill Color. Click on Fill Color for each option and select the color of your choice. You can choose one color for all, or a different color for each option, whatever suits your needs or preferences best. Once you've configured your list and added all your options, colors and all, it's time to finalize. Towards the bottom right of the sidebar where you've been making entries, you'll find a button labeled Done. Click Done to save all these settings and close the editor. Lastly, click on the first cell in your list, A1 in this case, to test it out. You should now see a drop-down arrow next to the cell. Click on the arrow and verify that your list options appear as expected. This confirms that your drop-down list is functioning correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully created a drop-down list in Google Sheets. Whether managing data, organizing a project, or just keeping things tidy, this feature is now at your fingertips, ready to make your work more streamlined and efficient.